Wishing you and your family a very happy Diwali from SobeRish. Diwali is a festival of light and sweets. So today we have both those elements here for you in this video. SobeRish style. Everyone loves a good Gulab Jamun, but have you ever tried a boozy version? Don't worry, I'm here to show you how to do it. First up, take out your shot glass and pour some whiskey. After this, get out the inner surgeon in you and take a syringe. Now that we have our syringe, get out some Gulab Jamun. Open this up. Shit, scary. Now let's fill this syringe up. Now that the syringe is filled with whiskey, get one Gulab Jamun, keep it on top and squeeze it in. Drop this in. So there you have it guys, the boozy Gulab Jamun. Are you guys ready? Because I am not. This is actually an experience you want to have, because this was completely, I don't even have words for this. You should definitely give this a try. Not scary at all. This was surprisingly amazing and I personally recommend this to everyone. Now let's move on to the next one. So first up, take a shot glass and rim it with some lemon on the sides. Now give this a good salt rim. Now you can make the fire shot with any spirit you have, but it should be at least 80 proof. Today I'll be using the vodka. Now for the moment of truth, let's light this up. So wishing you guys a very happy Diwali from SobeRish. If you enjoyed this Diwali special, don't forget to hit that like button, share this with all your friends and spread that Diwali cheer. Until next time, cheers.